I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up notifications on the TD app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TD app. Launch the TD app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once you're in the app, find the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select notifications. In the settings menu, look for the notifications option. This is where you can customize what alerts you want to receive. Step 4. Choose your notification types. You will see a list of different notification types, such as transaction alerts, account updates, and promotions. Select the ones you want to enable. Step 5. Save your preferences. After selecting your desired notifications, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the screen. If you forget this step, your preferences won't be applied. Now you're all set to receive notifications on the TD app. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Happy banking!